So I've had several followers request to see how I make marquee numbers and letters. Be sure to watch, screenshot, and save this video if you want to learn how to build them. First thing you'll want to do is trace out the number or letter that you're trying to make. I prefer to make all my numbers and letters 4 feet tall, so you can use the width of the board. You'll then want to make your larger cuts with the circular saw for all the straight cuts. One tip I can provide is to make sure you stick on the outside of the lines. And when you're finished with this step, you'll need a jigsaw to get into the tight corners. Be sure to take your time and do not overcut in certain sections, as you will need a jigsaw to get into the tighter corners as shown. Once you're done cutting all the corners and getting all the major pieces out, you'll then want a manual or orbital sander and sand down all the edges. Depending on the numbers or letters that you're cutting out, there may be multiple sections that need different type of cuts, and you might need to use a combination of the circular and jigsaw to complete the task. Once you're done making all the cuts, you'll then want to give another sanding all around before cutting out the exterior trim. I like to use the scrap that I have and cut out the 1/2 inch plywood for all the exterior parts. And I like to make it an 8-inch width, where 3 inches go into the front of the number or letter and 4 1/4 inch go to the back of it, where you can lay sandbags to the base. You will need to make 45-degree cuts on corners and edges, and you will definitely need to continuously double check your work. Make sure to put all your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and follow for more videos.